Now with this we have come to chart making. Mark all these segments like pivot, CPR, super trend, RSI, 20 moving average, and 1 hour high and low, which you will do at 10:15, previous day high and low, swing high and low. Mark all these segments before the market opens. Ideally somewhere around 30 minutes you should be ready. By 8:45 you should be ready with all your setups. Open separate windows for Nifty and Bank Nifty indices for 3 minutes, 30 minutes and a daily time frame chart. So all this will be needed for our analysis when we are planning to take a trade. You can also see SGX Nifty for gap up or gap down. This will help us in analyzing our strategies and knowing where the market will be headed once it is open. The last part is very important, but we will talk about this when we will touch this point, this topic, trading plan, and how to take a trading plan and how to make a trading plan and how to do rule-based trading. So once we have put all the indicators in the chart, it will look something like this. Have a separate window for Nifty 50 indices and Bank Nifty indices. It might look crammed, but trust me, each and every indicator is important in analyzing our market. So let's go forward and see how